Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Want to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video. And guess what? We'll talk.
Under the low lights we quietly sway. A hint of your smile melts the gray away. The bassline hums like a love-soaked breeze. Time slows down as we move with ease. Your touch, it lingers like velvet sparks. Soft whispers echo in the glowing dark. The keys drift like clouds in an air.